Hey everybody, this is Chris.Buystedt from Guaranty RV in Junction City. It's a beautiful day to show you an amazing trailer by Jayco. This is a 2018 29 BHD. Can't wait to take you inside. I think it'd be a great unit for your family. One of the things that's really fantastic about this is the BH in there, the BHD. It stands for bunkhouse. And if you take a look, I'm going to start at the back and show you that if you're looking to sleep a couple of people, you can sleep 2 people up top, 2 people down below. Lots of room, privacy. Got a great place to bunk some kids. If they want to bring their friends with them, they can do that. Nice, good sized bathroom in here. You've got some great storage. And there's some nice storage cupboards right over here as well. So one of the nice things about a bunkhouse is you've got lots of room to sleep people, but you also need room for food and things like that. And so having storage makes a big difference. I've got a nice big super slide here with a beautiful dinette. This table is movable, so you can take it, you can collapse it down, make another bed out of it, sleep more people, take the table outside, use it at your picnic, anything that you want to do. It works really nice. And notice here also, you've got this, and this folds out into a bed as well. So now you're sleeping 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people in here, no problem at all. Really great kitchen. It's out of the way, so you can actually move about the coach without disrupting the person who's doing all the cooking. You've got a really nice fridge and freezer, nice big sized, lots of compartments and space. Your microwave, it's all stainless. Everything's got that nice look to it. Look at that beautiful backsplash, how that comes out and pops, those little silver colors. It's really a beautiful trailer. 3-burner stove and oven. You've got a double sink, sprayer. You can really go glamping in this thing, guys. Check out this TV. Nice big size. You've got everything that you need to listen to music, watch movies. Everything you need is right here. It's great. One of the things that people often ask for in a bunkhouse when they have kids is, man, we'd like to have some privacy as well. This particular floor plan gives you a lot of privacy because it puts the bathroom between the rest of the coach and your bedroom. So take a look at this bedroom, or this bathroom. It's really nice. And again, this is a Jack and Jill style, so it goes right into the bedroom. But you've got a skylight in here, you've got glass doors, a sprayer, everything that you need for a really nice experience in the bathroom. You've got storage underneath the bed, all on hydraulics. It goes all the way back to your pass-through, so you can use this for anything you want, and you can have access from the inside or the outside. Nice blackout shades, a great place to put all your clothes. Everything lights up beautifully. There's places to charge all your devices, your CPAPs, everything. You can't go wrong with this. This is a beautiful, beautiful trailer for your family. And what family bunkhouse trailer would be complete without an outdoor kitchen? You got a nice refrigerator. This little counter pulls out with a sink in it. You've got your gas range, some extra storage up here. You guys can be having so much fun this summer in this trailer. It's perfect. We've got several other floor plans of it as well. If there's something you need to change, a little bit size difference, whatever, we can help you with that. You got a big power awning, everything LED lit. Extra nice wheels and tires. I mean, this rig is really set up for you to get years of enjoyment out of. I would love to show it or any of our units to you here. Please feel free to give me a call anytime. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.